And today I got a really cool little product for you, and what it is an HDMI transmitter. That's right, this is a little box that you hook up to your TV, and then you can hook the other one up to a laptop, computer, your cell phone, as long as it takes a USB-C, and it will broadcast your display from that device to your big TV like we have up there. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to show you the product, I'm going to show you how to hook it up, and then I'm going to show you how it works. Let's get into it. All right, so here's a little set right here. This is going to be the actual receiver, and we've ran an HDMI cord out of this up to the television. These are your two little antennas for receiving signals, and this is your USB-C, which is your power supply, and that just runs into the wall right over here. And now this is going to be your transmitter. This is what you're going to hook up to your device. And today, just as an example, I have my old Samsung phone here that can run DeX, which is basically like turns a TV and turns your smartphone into a computer. And you can see that my screen is cracked and it doesn't work so well. So I'm actually going to use this device to bring it up on the TV so I can actually see stuff to get my files off. But like I said, you can also use this on your displays and transmit the signals from your Mac or your PC or any other device that has the Thunderbolt port, the little USB-C. So let's go ahead, we're going to hook this up. You can see that this is flashing, so I'm going to plug it into the phone. And there's another secret little feature about this as well that's going to be really cool that I'm going to tell you about here shortly. Now you can see this is flashing. It's looking for this. It's going to pair up with this device. Okay, you can see this just went solid and now this is blinking. That means that this is receiving and this is sending. Before we take a look at the screen up there so we can see what you're actually going to see, the other thing that you can do with this, you don't have to use the transmitter. If your device, you can actually connect to this with your phone directly, and you can basically turn any TV or display that has HDMI and mirror your screen. All you got to do is you connect it to the Wi-Fi of this little device right here. So let's say, for instance, that you were going to be connecting to this via Wi-Fi. You just look for EasyCast right there and you would click on that, and I can actually screen mirror my phone straight to this device. I don't even need the transmitter, and I'll be able to see my phone screen on the television. How cool is that? Now what we're going to do is, we're going to back the camera up a little bit, and I'm going to do the best that I can to show you the TV with as few glares as possible. And you can see that it is displaying the time in locked. That means my phone is locked. I'm putting in the passcode, and you can see that the phone is actually starting up. And because of this little device, I'm actually able to see what's on my phone. I'm actually running DeX from this Samsung phone to this TV. How cool and convenient is that? Now I can surf the web, I can share shows, pictures, movies with friends, with families. It's just a really fun little device to have. So if you're on the market for a cool little device that you can wirelessly send your display from one side of the room to the other without running wires, if you need a wireless way to connect your phones and screen mirror onto a television, well then this would be the product for you. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.